7 programming tools you should be using in 2023. The following are the top 7 websites you can use to help you do your job. 1. Scribe. Writing up docs and how-to guides used to take up so much time, but not anymore. Scribe how creates auto-generated step-by-step guides, cutting down hours of work to minutes. 2. Postman. Postman is a must-have when developing APIs. Test and debug your API endpoints with ease. 3. Tab Suspender. As devs, we sometimes have a lot of tabs open, and it chews up precious memory and CPU. This extension catches inactive tabs, freeing up to 80% memory and device resources. 4. Trello. Project management is critical in software development. Utilizing this tool when simplicity is the goal illustrates taking in requirements and making wise decisions. 5. Chrome DevTools. Chrome DevTools is a set of web developer tools built directly into Google Chrome. Becoming great at these dev tools will make you a much more effective dev. 6. Lucidchart. The best tool for creating UML diagrams, ERDs, and so on. Problem solving and planning come before writing code. 7. Responsively. A must-have dev tool for all front-end developers that will make your job easier. Preview all target screens in a single window side by side. Happy working. In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.